All right, so I didn't actually plan to do a video because I'm kind of experimenting, but you should always just film it when you're experimenting because it'll help myself next time and it'll help somebody else. So I'm trying out these spoolies. I know you guys have probably seen these over the years on YouTube, but I've seen them, always planned on buying them, but never did. And then I saw somebody do a video on it last week and I was like, okay, let me just do it. So these are the spoolies. They're like really rubbery, soft curlers. And the reason why I actually wanted to do it because I knew when I do this style, I want to sleep in it overnight. And since they're so soft, they'll be easy to sleep in. So I got 2 bags of I got 2 different colors. I got a pink and I got the gold. And the gold, I got the double pack because it's cheaper. And then I got 1 pack of the pink because I wanted to have at least 45. The girl that I watched do it, she used 45 of them. And she had medium to long natural hair. So I wanted to do the same. So I have 4 sections. So let's see. So probably about 10 or 12 per section. So I'm just trying to think. So 10 or 12 per section. And I'm not going to like make it perfect, but I just know that I'll do 5 on this side, 5 on this side. I guess I'll do more in the back. No, I'll do more in the front than the back because I want the back to not be too tight. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So I'm gonna do this section. So I'm just gonna use Enkay's hair butter from her company. I'm gonna close it because she didn't watch it yet. But I'm gonna use the hair butter, and then I'm gonna use the SmoothNShine. I guess it's a new product, the black seed and coconut oil bodifying mousse. It helps moisturize, shine, and adds volume, anti-frizz. I actually just saw this at the store, so I'm just trying it for the first time. Never even saw anyone talk about it before, but I like using mousse to like curl like kinky hair. All right, so I'm going to do this. I'm gonna put on the hair butter. I actually already put it on all over my hair, but I just want to put a little bit more, but I really don't need to, but I will. I just took out my braids, so just a little bit at the ends since my ends are a little frizzy. Hopefully I detangled my hair good enough. All right, so I'm gonna, so the way they said to do this, it's pretty easy, straightforward. For natural hair, start at the root and then roll the hair in there. So I'm gonna maybe start a little bit down and then, oh, I gotta put the mousse on. And I'm gonna leave this in overnight, as I said before. So I just put a little pump, not too much. I think I'll twist it a little bit so that it can be a little bit more defined with the stuff. So I twisted it, guys, and then I'm gonna hold it this way. Yeah, I'm gonna hold it this way, and then I'm gonna twist it a little bit as I'm wrapping it as well, and then wrap it up. Right? Wrap it up and then close it. There. Hopefully I did that right. I don't even know if it's the right, but it's in there and it's twisted up, so that was easy. And then I'm gonna do it again for the next section. A little bit of hair butter for the frizz. Bit of hair butter for the frizz. And then I will detangle a little bit and then little bit of the mousse, not too much. I don't want my hair to be drenched in the mousse, but just enough to. And then I'll twist it a little bit, just loosely twisting it, not anything serious. And then let me try to face it the other way. Let me see if it makes a difference on. Start it down a little bit, twist it as I'm going in here, and then put it there. Okay, I guess that one kind of looked, well, I don't really think it matters, but I just as you guys saw, I faced it the other way and it kind of like stayed like towards me as compared to this one. So okay, next one, same thing. So I'm gonna do all the sections, and I said I'll do 4 sections. This is really easy and I'm happy, and it's going to be easy to sleep in. That's my main thing, is like a lot of these like curly styles, it's like I want to do it and I know that to make my attempt have a good outcome, at least it needs to be in there long enough to dry and be able for me to sleep in it comfortably. So my number one thing about these is that they're gonna be easy to sleep in, which is good. So it'll be good. That means it's a good style to do, like even if you don't have time to do your hair, it can span a couple days, because I know that like after I put this in, I'll just wear my bonnet, you know, around, like if I have to go out and do stuff, I just wear my bonnet because it can cover it up very well. So, and it's not bulky, so that's the other good thing. All right, I'm going to continue on, and then I will get to you guys when I am, I guess in the front, see how it's going.
Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time, baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time, baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me ya, say she give me pour me ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my wine in me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a boss in a the thing so. Girl, pour me yard.